Hello everyone. This is me, Debashmita Sarkar. Today we are going to talk about physical and chemical change. So let's begin. Introduction. There are several changes come across daily, for example, dissolving sugar in water or flattening a metal rod by beating it. These involve changes in the form of the substance. Changes can be classified as physical and chemical. Physical change. Any change to the physical properties of a substance is called a physical change. Physical changes are usually reversible as no new substance is formed. It is the same substance but with changed physical properties. Chemical change. A change in which one or more new substances are formed is called as a chemical change. Usually, a chemical change involves a chemical reaction which forms new products. For example, rusting of iron or burning wood. Metallic oxides. Formation of metallic oxides are examples of chemical change. They are formed by the reaction of oxygen in air. Burning of magnesium ribbon. 2 Mg plus O2 gives 2 MgO. Mg means magnesium and O means oxygen. O2 means oxygen. The product formed is the oxide of magnesium, which is in the form of ash. It does not look anything like the magnesium ribbon used for burning. Reaction of metallic oxides with water. Reaction of metallic oxides with water from metallic hydroxides. For example, dissolving magnesium oxide in water by stirring the ash very well with water. For example, MgO plus H2O gives MgOH2. The product form is basic in nature and turns red litmus paper into blue. Reaction between baking soda and vinegar. When a pinch of baking soda is added to vinegar, we hear a hissing sound and observe the formation of bubbles. Vinegar, which is acetic acid, plus baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate, gives CO2, means carbon dioxide, and other products. The carbon dioxide produced during the reaction of vinegar and baking soda when passed through the lime water gives calcium carbonate as follows: CO2 plus CaOH whole twice lime water gives calcium carbonate CaCO3 plus H2O. The calcium carbonate turns lime water milky. Observation that indicate a chemical change. Heat or light is absorbed or given out during a chemical reaction. Production of sound. Production of gases or precipitates. Production of smell. A color change may occur. Rusting. When substances made of iron are exposed to oxygen and moisture in the atmosphere, it forms a red layer which is called rust. The formation of rust can be represented by the following reaction. 4Fe plus 3O2 gives 2Fe2O3. The chemical formula for rust is Fe2O3NH2O. More the moisture in the air, quicker the formation of rust. Galvanization. The process of depositing zinc on the surface of iron to prevent rusting is called galvanization. For example, iron water pipes are galvanized. Ships are made up of iron which is galvanized. Due to the presence of salts in seawater, the process of rusting is hastened. Hence, ships need to replace their iron body every year. Crystallization. The process of separation of salts from their solution is called as crystallization. It is a purification technique that purifies seawater or separates crystals from impure samples. It is a physical change. So with this we came to the last slide. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Bye bye. Stay home. Stay happy.